Alright guys, it's Johnny Decali here. I don't have room. Well, I have room, I just place this bag on. So it's it's a challenge for me to put these damn bungees inside my bag. Because I can't see what I'm doing. I'm doing this blindfolded, technically. Well, alright, I got my bungees in the bag. My bungees in my bag. Alright, so we're off to go on an adventure. What we're gonna do today, I ordered pizza. And I don't have a car, so we're gonna see how this goes. I ordered a large pizza from Domino's. Let's see if I could actually figure out how to transport pizza on this bike. Stay tuned.
Why you drive so fast? Why you drive so fast? Girl, where you gotta go?
Hi, I have a pickup for John. Yeah. John? Yeah. Thank you. Alright, let's see. This doesn't look too big. It's manageable. I'll put the breadsticks in my bag. That's not the issue. The issue is... Hold on, let me close my lid. Alright. Got my bungees. I got my dip. Got my sauce. Alright. Let's make this happen. I'm not gonna lie. I actually just thought about trying to hold that thing right there in place while I ride. Fuck. These bungees look thick and heavy. Alright, you're an idiot. We don't need this. I'm gonna keep this shut. You'll go there. We'll go here. I need help, guys. I need help. Alright. Let's see. This here is too long. This is too long. But, give me an idea. Alright, we're gonna try to put this right here. That way. And then the pizza's not gonna fly back. That's the idea. To prevent the pizza from sliding back. That's the ultimate goal. I hope this doesn't scratch the bike. I'm not even going a mile. Okay, maybe I am traveling a mile, but no more than 5. Less than 5 for sure. Why? I don't know what I'm trying to do. I'm just trying to keep the plastic from rubbing. See, I already got some scratches here, so I'm just trying to avoid any more marks onto the bike. Alright. Now my fat ass is gonna just keep it from. I like it. I think I got it. Alright guys, so got the pizza strap as you can see. Here's a picture of it. It's looking good, holding well. Can't believe I did it. This is my first time carrying something on my bike. I'm sure it won't be my last. Super excited. I just gained like a ton of confidence knowing that I could, with just a couple bungees, I can just carry anything on my bike. Well, not anything, but almost everything that I could think of. Beer, chicken nuggets, anything. Alright. So, what do you guys think? Let me know what you guys if you guys ever tried carrying anything on your bike, what's the biggest thing that you've carried, delivered on your motorcycle? If you have any tips for me besides bungees, any other advice that I could use, yeah, anything like that, that'd be great. I'm looking forward to everyone's feedback and stories. So, yeah. Alright guys, you guys take care. You guys ride safe. Don't forget to hit that like button, hit subscribe. I'll check you guys out later. Take care.